Alright, this out. The other day I went to put gas in the BMW and this is what I found. Normally you have to hit unlock, but you can see it's stuck even if I do lock. Here, I'll show you here. You can see the door move. It's still stuck. So what you do, you head inside. You can see this little button. Click on that. That drops this panel out. And you look for this little green. I don't know if you can see. There's a little gas thing out. You pull on that. Hear it? Click. That releases your gas door. Hopefully that helps somebody, because I am at 0 gallons and I was kind of freaked out. I couldn't fill up my gas tank last night. All right, thanks. Have a good day.